Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add VWAP in Bookmap. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple, because what we're going to do is we go to settings and select right here at settings, manage plugins. Then we select right here Bookmap add-ons, and then right here you will see right here a VWAP. If you want to add this, we need to upgrade our license, and that is just something that I can change. So you need to upgrade your license, and if you go right here to this website, you can find exactly right here which license you need to get the VWAP. So check it right here. So for example, here is standing the DOM Pro, and most of the time that's also for the VWAP, and that is only right here for Global Plus. So you need Global Plus to get that. And if you go back and you bought it by yourself, you can click right here on install, and then after that, when you install it, you can use it right here and it will automatically appear in your Bookmap. So this is how you can add the VWAP right here to Bookmap. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.